Hello fellow YouTubers and planners. Today is December the 4th, which means we get to open another goodie from our advent calendars. These are super exciting, by the way. Okay, so yesterday we did Beehaven designs, so today it is tickled pink planning. So I'll just move the Beehaven one. And we're up to number 2, so let's find number 2 in the box. There it is. Number 1 was awesome. I loved the design of number 1. So let's have a look at number 2. Oops, there's some confetti on there. They have the little confettis in the bottom of the box like I showed you in the unboxing of the box. So this is number 2. This cute little bag. I wonder what today's washi is going to be. Let's find out. Okay, so as per last time it says exclusive washi. And then let's have a look. Looks like there's a rainbow. I love rainbows. Oh, and there's Primrose in the rainbow and clouds, and she's like, yay, I'm up in the sky. Let's take a better look and open it. Rainbows and clouds in the sky, and Primrose, of course. Unravel it. And the stars are sort of foil as well. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. But yeah, the stars are silver foiled, which makes it prettier than it already is. Let's pop it down. It's a bit different too. I'll show you in the close-up. But Primrose is different in each section. So here's a closer view. So Primrose is in this cloud here. And then you've got the scene, and then Primrose is just in the sky. And then this, I'm not sure if you can see the glittery stars, but there's glittery stars as well. And then it just continues on like so. It's really pretty actually. Very, very pretty. Love this one too. Thank you so much, Tickled Pink Planning. And as you can see, there's a fair bit on the roll. So that was day 2 of Tickled Pink Planning. Tomorrow will be the next one of Beehaven Designs, and then the day after that will be another Tickled Pink Planning. But going good. And on my Instagram at the moment, I'm just putting up the packaging side of things, but what I'll do is every weekend or every 4 or 5 days is I'll pop up photos of the actual items on my Instagram and say this is what we've got the last 4 or 5 days or week or whatever, because I am taking photos of the actual items as well. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching.